Hello, this is Brian from GeoPath, and today we'll be talking about filtering by specific IDs in the Insight Suite. In the Explore module of the GeoPath Insight Suite, you can use the Filter Inventory tab and then the Specific IDs option to filter for inventory based on either GeoPath spot IDs or operator spot IDs. When using this option, you can just copy and paste in your specific IDs here. The tool will parse it out for you. In this instance, I have 65 GeoPath spot IDs I've copied from an Excel file that I'll paste right here. Once you've pasted your IDs, you can hit apply. If any of the IDs that you've pasted in are invalid themselves or conflict with one of your existing filters, you'll be notified here. You can then easily remove them from your list and proceed with the IDs that did match. Here are the 65 spots that I've filtered for directly. Just as I've done here with the GeoPath spot IDs, you can do the same with the operator spot IDs. Again, you should be able to just copy and paste them in from an Excel file or an email. As a general rule of thumb, we generally recommend using GeoPath spot IDs where you can, as they're much more standardized in their format and are all unique identifiers.